In this video, I will show you a quick way on how to place order and save time on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app with step-by-step tutorial. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to quickly place order for these slippers right here on Pinduoduo shopping app without using agent. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you add an item to cart. So for you to add an item to cart, just click on here. Having had the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to go back to your profile. Then for you to access your profile, you need to click on here. On getting to your profile, you have to click on here to view your cart. So the item is going to be found right here. So you can see one pieces. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select the item. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, you can check the preview of the item, size 40 of the black, just one P6 right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to make a payment. And I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done successful. You can see it right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on done right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close the pop-up. I have to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the slippers we just placed order for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the items right here. So this is how you can quickly place order on Pinduoduo shopping app without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you